Checkmate. That's how you win a game of chess. So you need to know how to give checkmate. Other videos will show you how to give checkmate with a queen, or a rook, or some of the other pieces. In this set of videos, I will show you some final positions, some pictures of checkmate, so you know what you are aiming for. You have to trap the king. Fortunately, the king can only move one space at a time, but if we are going to give checkmate, we have to attack the king as well. We have to control 9 squares. But if the king is on the edge, it's only 6 squares. And if the king is in the corner, then it's only 4 squares. So it's going to be easier if we can force the enemy king onto the edge of the board, or better still, the corner. Okay, let's look at some positions. During a game of chess, kings are often found behind pawns, either in the centre of the board or after castling towards the edge of the board. A common way to win a game of chess is to attack the pawns in front of the enemy king. Often beginners lose games of chess like this. It's called scholar's mate. One player attacks the f-pawn in front of the king. It's a good pawn to attack, because at the start of a game, it's only defended by the king. So watch out! In this position, the queen is defended by the bishop, so it can't be taken. If your opponent is being really helpful, you could even give checkmate with your bishop, defended by your knight. In this position, the black king has castled, so white has attacked the h-pawn. The queen is defended by the bishop, so it can't be taken, but it's also possible to use a knight to defend the queen. This time white has attacked the g-pawn. Again, the queen is defended by the bishop, so it can't be taken. Sometimes the g-pawn has moved, and the queen sneaks in behind it. Here is another way to win if the g-pawn has moved. The knight gives check, and the long-range bishop stops the black king from escaping. This also works with the knight on e7. If the g-pawn is missing completely, then checkmate could be given by a queen or rook. If the black king were in the corner, so the bishop were giving check, it doesn't quite work, because the black pawns can block check, unless the bishop is close enough so that nothing can block check. And here's a classic way to checkmate a king that has castled queenside. It's called Boden's mate, named after Samuel Boden. Finally, here is another way to attack the pawns in front of the enemy king, using your rooks, by invading along the 7th rank. Getting your rooks onto the 7th rank can be very powerful.